Hi everyone and welcome to Beat the Rush. Today we're making roasted butternut squash crumble bars. To a food processor with a plastic dough tool, add 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 100 grams of butter. Mix for about 1 minute until you achieve fine crumbs. Add 1 egg and pulse it until combined. Set aside 1 cup of this mix for the crumble topping. Line a small pan with parchment paper and heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Press the mix into the bottom of the pan. Bake for 10 minutes or until lightly golden. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix 1 cup of roasted butternut squash puree. I'll link my recipe in the description box below. Half a cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. On top of the crumble base, spread the butternut squash mixture. Sprinkle half a cup of chopped walnuts and the remaining crumble mix. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden. Allow it to cool a bit in the pan before cutting into 12 pieces. These bars are a crumbly and delicious snack, but you may also have them with some ice cream for dessert. Look for the recipe in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe so we can beat the rush together. Thanks for watching and see you next time!